What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today we have here Dark Rock Slim Premium CPU Cooler from Be Quiet. This cooler was sent to only 12 tech YouTuber in North America for review. At least that's what I was told. I guess I just got lucky. This cooler had best of both worlds, looks and performance. Black stealth, dark heatsink with brushed aluminum top cover, perfect for my upcoming all black build. Packed with special dynamic wave control cooling fins for better heat dissipation, also comes with 6mm high performance black power coated 4 copper heat pipes. Cooler height is 159mm, width is 127mm, and the depth is 72mm. So you really don't have to worry about your RAM clearance anymore. Cooler weight including fan 620 gram, so that's only 1.36 pound. Also, Be Quiet was nice enough to include one of their new Silent Wing 320mm 4-pin PWM fan with max speed of 1500 RPM and max noise level up to 23.6 dB. Now, the cooling capacity of this cooler up to 180 watt TDP. Yes, this cooler will work with latest and greatest CPU from Intel and AMD. Supported Intel socket LGA 1150, 1151, 1155, 1156, 1366, LGA 2011 up to V3, and the LGA 2066 socket. Now supported AMD socket AM2 Plus, AM3 Plus, FM1, FM2 Plus, and AM4. You can pick up Be Quiet Dark Rock Slim cooler for around $50, but remember, price does fluctuate. Also, this cooler is covered with 3 years of warranty. After opening the box, you will find the CPU cooler tower, single 120mm fan, installation manual, and a brown box with AMD and Intel socket mounting kit. Now, the installation was really simple. All you have to do just follow the installation manual step by step. Now for the testing purpose, we are using our AMD build, Gigabyte B450M DS3H M4 motherboard and AMD Ryzen 5 1600 6-core CPU overclocked to 3.9 GHz with 1.37 volt. I ran AIDA64 to stress the CPU for 10 minutes. Keep in mind, room ambient temperature was 22 Celsius and CPU idle temperature was 35 Celsius. After 10 minutes of stress testing, the CPU max temperature was around 70.88 Celsius. I was really impressed with the temperature. Now I personally think going from my AMD Wraith Prism cooler to Be Quiet Dark Rock Slim cooler was really worth it. I don't recommend buying AMD Wraith Prism cooler for $50 because of the louder noise. But if you can find a Wraith Prism cooler for under $30, then go ahead. If you want, you can buy Dark Rock Slim for $50 and you will have more room for overclocking with less noise and less temps. Overall, I think Be Quiet Dark Rock Slim is a good CPU air cooler. You don't have to worry about RAM's clearance and you can overclock your CPU peacefully. Hope you guys liked my quick review. If you guys have any other question, don't forget to leave in the comment section. See you guys next one.